Seeing a big, fat zero next to your account balance is frustrating, right? Recently, nothing appears to be working, everything seems so challenging, and you have no idea where to start. Change that then. Even if you have never made money online, I want to help you in today's video so that you can stop staring at that big, fat zero and instead make your first $100, $200, or even $500. Because the majority of the work has already been done, this method has been tried and tested and consistently generates results with little effort. It is also accessible to all nations worldwide without any costs or investments. So be sure to watch all the way through to learn about this fascinating way to generate money online. But first, welcome to Make Money Online, where I'll be showing you the newest techniques on how to make money online in the simplest methods possible. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications bell and hit that like button. Let's begin with the video now. I'm going to discuss Fiverr affiliates in today's video. I'm aware that many of you are already familiar with the website Fiverr, but don't worry, we won't start advertising our services there. Instead, I want to demonstrate how you can become a Fiverr affiliate in this video, which is something no one else has ever done before. You are not required to sell anything to anyone or render any services in this situation. Instead, we're going to do the sensible thing and use the Fiverr platform to make daily commissions. You can encourage signups for various services and promote Fiverr. Additionally, simply by advertising the Fiverr platform, we can earn commissions every day. Let me address your main query: how much can you make from this website? We'll examine the commission structure and determine the potential earnings from this website. But don't fear, novices in particular will find it to be a fairly basic tutorial. Additionally, I'll show you a bonus at the conclusion of this video where they'll complete all of the job for you. Therefore, the Fiverr commission plans are available here. As for compensation schemes, there are fundamentally two different kinds. The Fiverr CPA, which is Fiverr Hybrid, ranges from $50 to $200. I'll go into greater detail on the operation of the complete approach. Starting with the most popular CPA commission, which has a potential earning range, how can we be confident that we will be able to make $20 or $200? Depending on the categories and services you advertise, that will change. All of the services will be listed. Let's take the scenario where you want to promote your preferred professional services and want to earn $200 in commission from a single payment. I'll provide you a few instances of popular professional services that you can recommend to others, like a promo design service for $800, $1,000, $2,000, or even right now, $3,000. Numerous hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. And for that reason, they'll give you a large commission above $200. The best aspect of this is that, regardless of whether your customer makes a purchase, you can continually earn $200 for every sale you successfully refer. Either $200 or $2,000 worth of services. And if you enjoyed seeing this video and found it useful, please comment below. Let's go back to the video now. If you keep watching, I'll show you a few methods for identifying potential customers to target with your marketing strategies and introduce them to a number of Fiverr Pro services where you can consistently earn $200. Suppose you wish to recommend other services and receive a 100% commission for doing so. You can refer them to the animated explainers and whiteboard. I can view all the services they can recommend to others and receive a fixed $100 commission when I click on this link, regardless of the kind of service they buy. Suppose they merely paid for a $10 service. It's still possible to earn $100, which is a fantastic commission structure. You can advertise any of these different categories and receive a flat commission of $100. For instance, you may earn a $50 commission in the following categories: web design, mobile design, and e-commerce development. For a $40 referral fee, you can suggest them to this website's logo, creator, web programmer, website, content proofreader, and other services. From then, $30 in commission is frequently charged for writing, article authoring, voiceovers, and virtual assistants. you can receive $20 for the last category. In this video, I'll demonstrate the best shortcut for using the affiliate program to generate income. I'll demonstrate how to continuously aim for a $200 commission. I want you to think about the possibility of earning $200 per day, or $6,000 per month, if you can recommend just one person and close just one sale each day. By directing consumers to these Fiverr Pro services, you can do this. This method of earning money as a freelancer is far superior because, for instance, if the buyer buys $100 for this one, you might make $200 in commission. Fiverr Hybrid is the second method of commission income right now. They won't give you a sizable commission all at once, instead, they'll give you $15. It makes no difference which services you mention. After paying you $15, they will share 10% of their profits with you for the following 12 months. Let's say your consumer purchases the $200 subscription after you refer them, in which case you would only receive $15. However, you will still be entitled to 10% of all of their future purchases. You can also benefit from the complete commission structure by doing so. However, since I may immediately receive payment for the one-time commission, I would personally prefer the preferred CPA option. In this method, I can receive payments more frequently and steadily. By using the Fiverr Pro services, we may continue to make $200. That effectively sums up the commission structure's operation and the potential earnings from this. Click the Join Now button at the top if you're interested in becoming a Fiverr affiliate. From there, you can select a private account type. Next, enter your preferred username, password, email address, first and last name. As you can see, you then choose your nation from the list under Country, as they typically welcome members from all around the world. From there, you can choose your languages, phone numbers, and, if you have one, your Skype number. And to register once more, just click the Next button. In this video, I'll show you 3 free strategies for promoting Fiverr Pro services and earning referrals. Here, we'll examine the Fiverr Professional services. Therefore, these are all illustrations of the types of services you can use to continually make $200 in commission. Now, based on my own experience, I think that focusing on the graphic and design category is preferred due to the high demand for it and the abundance of online resources that can teach you how to do it for free. For instance, you should click the category link under Graphic and Design if you want to refer visitors to this page on logo design. As you can see, they provide a range of packages, and regardless of whether you sell pricey or budget-friendly packages, you will still be paid the same commission. So, we should point them in the direction of much cheaper options. Click this link to view a $300 example if you'd want to see one. The Level 1 Seller service, which many consumers actually love using, is visible there. So you can suggest the service to potential clients and get a $200 commission if they decide to buy the $300 basic package. Right now, going to reddit.com will provide you a lot of recommendations for the service. This website works like a forum where many people post questions for others to answer, and you may join for free. For instance, you may use a search box like this one right here, where the bio logo is, to look for a given topic on Reddit, and then see whether anyone else has asked the same question. Look at these consumers wondering where they can get a logo in the Reddit community right away. You can then step in and guide them to your favorite providers, and they will sell the services to them after you have shown them the link. There is no labor that you must perform. You may simply repeat the process to make $200 every day by posting a straightforward response to it on Reddit. If just one person uses the service each day. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and hit that like button. See you in the next video.